how to take apart a Jura X8 espresso machine. It's going to be my first time, so hopefully it goes smooth. Step one, let's remove the drip tray. Then there's a couple of T10s here on the right side. And there's one on the left side here as well, but I'm not sure if we need to take that off to access the brew group. The goal is to get the brew group out. And on the back, you need special tools to get these two oval bolts off here and here. You can get this off Amazon for like $7. And unscrew here and here. There's one more T10 screw on the back here. And then this thing, you can start pushing back again. By pushing on this edge, it starts cracking open. Okay, so once you remove the two oval screws on the bottom here, then this back cover lifts up and comes off. And then you can get the side plates. That's the trick. Okay, there's the brew group. We just slide back the left side. The right side has other stuff. But let's see if we can take the brew group out and service it, clean it, and hopefully the flow is more consistent. To remove the brew group, there's a screw here, and that looks like it. Oh, there might be one or two back here and here as well. And then hopefully it slides out. Okay, so this first screw just holds onto this drip tray. And once that's out of the way, then the brew group should be able to slide out. There's one more screw down here as well. So I'll start removing these. Be careful removing this screw here because there's a washer that could fall off. This screw down here was super tight. So again, you may need to use a magnet so it doesn't fall. Okay, saving grace, they just fall down here. So you can easily grab them. The last one is a T20 or T15. Actually, it might be a T20, but a T15 works on it too. And you'll have to use pliers to break it loose because I can't twist it off by itself. Okay, found one more screw. Back here. Come on, video. This guy. Gotta get this guy too. This guy's also tight, so I'll use pliers to get it started. Okay, and once we have all those screws out, or at least loosened, the big T15s, they don't actually come out all the way. Let's remove the hose on top here. And now, it looks like this guy's gonna fall out. There's a little thing on the side here that's fighting. Okay, we'll have to pry there's another drip tray on the back here that is fighting us, but other than that, it's completely loose. So I'm gonna try to pry this drip tray back. Oh, here we go. Ta-da! Okay, we have a brew group out. Sweet, time to clean it. Okay, I washed the brew group out with warm water. I actuated this, and the tamper had moved in and out, and I was able to get a bunch of coffee grounds out of here. So hopefully it's happy now. I can put this piece back on. Okay, let's put this on the right way. This slides on like so. Ta-da. And now we can slide this puppy back in. Go. Okay, these two T15s go first, and then everything else. Okay, after you get the two T15s on, we'll get the screw with the washer. And we'll get this little corner screw down here. And then last will be the cover that went here. Once the brew group is on, then we can slide this side cover back on. Get the bottom lined up, and then it again slides forward. Kind of need both hands for this though. And once it's on, we can install a screw in the front. And the screw on the back. I'm gonna slide the right side cover back on. It just goes on from behind and slides forward. Then you can reattach the screw here. And we can slide in the drip tray, put on the water container, install the water level sensor. I need 2 hands for that. Just slip it on, guide the wires through the back here, and then it just clicks in. And then the wires go behind this tab so that the back cover can go on. Keep them from twisting up if you can. Here we go. And this cover goes on. Goes on a little low, and then clips up. There it is. Nice and stable. Cover. Now we just have the back plate left with those 2 oval screws. And then we're done. So let's see if it still works. Okay, moment of truth. We plug it in. Turn it on. And hopefully it's happy. Okay, let's order up a coffee. Looks good to me.